So, you're wondering if the 1660 Super is a good graphics card in 2022. Hi, my name is DervyD and we're back again with a brand new review video. If y'all like content like these, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below and let's go into the video. So, you could find this graphics card on Amazon under $600, like 535 something. So, it's under $600. It's a budget graphics card. It's very good for its price. It can go in 1080p and 1440p. But keep in mind, if you want to go in 1440p, you have to have a good processor with it to balance it out. So keep that in mind. You need a good processor to put this graphics card in 1440p. So this graphics card is good for gamers and it's good for streamers too. So if you plan on building a streaming PC, you should have this graphics card in it. It's gonna do everything very well for you. And if you are planning on building a budget PC, this is a good graphics card for that too as well. Very good graphics card. Link is gonna be in the description if y'all wanna check this out. It's gonna be on Amazon link. So feel free to check this out if y'all interested. Yeah, gonna show y'all me using this graphics card on Warzone so y'all could see like the quality, the resolution, and the smoothness and everything. So
Enemy UAV. Safe zone relocated. Enemy UAV active.
Contact. I see movement.
yeah, the quality on this graphics card is very clean, very smooth, crispy too. So hope y'all enjoy this video, man. Like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content like this. I do reviews and gaming videos on this channel. So if y'all interested in those type of content that I just said, like this video, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Peace.